So if you look in the back of my trunk, you can see a lot of stock parts. And yes, I will be returning this car to stock. I never thought this day would come so soon, but the first thing we have to do is get the exhaust back to stock. So I'm headed over to Muffler Doctor right now, and I'm also gonna meet up with my other fellow Mazda 6 owner, Ethan, because he's gonna use some of the parts for my exhaust setup for his new one. One last pull before she goes back to stock. I'ma miss that exhaust note, bro. Well, we're gonna say bye to the exhaust. The single exit is going away, and we're gonna put back the stock exhaust. So I'm gonna miss it though. So here's how it looks with the exhaust setup. We just need to cut at the resonator and weld that shit back on. We left for 10 minutes and it's already back on, so. Here's the single exit setup, just cut off. But yeah, I mean, damn, that was quick. So it's about a week and a half since I got the stock exhaust on the Mazda 6. But today I will be getting the body kit taken off. You could already see the side skirts hanging off, so that's halfway done. But the front lip and the fangs, the side skirts, and the rear fangs will be coming off. Oh, and also the eyelids. Excuse how dirty the car is, to be honest. I've been kind of neglecting the car since getting the Accord, but she'll be looking really stock soon.
The rubber will come off. Like if you're wondering how to take this off, you could just sit there and pull it off, or like you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It won't damage your paint or anything.
I'm not too worried about that part.
Okay. Oh.
Bad. So I'm on my way to Carvana. I'm a little scared though because the car is pretty dirty. I was supposed to clean it like inside and out, but honestly the weekend was really busy and I didn't get to do that. So I'm kind of scared that it being dirty may lower the offer price that they gave me. And also, I don't know how much the suspension is gonna matter because I was supposed to revert that to stock. Yet again, I was too lazy to do that. But in the options of talking about the condition of the car, it does let you specify modifications, and I did say the suspension was upgraded. So honestly, if they keep true to their word, the offer should still be pretty good, but we'll see when I'm there. Yo, this place wild. Look at that. We're here, man. What the hell? Well, it's official. My car has been sold to Carvana. It's a really, really simple process. I highly recommend, as long as you put accurate details and are transparent in your initial application of your car's offer, you definitely get exactly what you are quoted, because that's exactly how it happened for me. But highly recommend. Definitely would do this again if I was selling my car or selling another car. But hopefully you guys liked that video. Also shout out to everyone who's followed along the channel for the Mazda 6, but it definitely is time to move on to different things. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Off she goes, lowered and everything.